Good stable vehicle being reported. As soon as the Progress separates from the third stage, control of the flight of the Progress will revert back to the Russian Mission Control Center in Korolyov outside of Moscow. We're standing by now for third stage shutdown and spacecraft separation. And we have third stage shutdown and separation. Next event will be the deployment of the Progress's solar arrays and navigational antennas. And you see that function now in work. And all of the appendages have now been deployed, the solar arrays and the navigational antenna and the TV boom on the Progress. A perfect launch and a perfect ride to its preliminary orbit. Launch occurring at 8:51 and 41 seconds p.m. Central Time, 9:51:41 Eastern Time. A good ride uphill on the Soyuz 2.1A booster. And so the Progress chase is now on to reach the International Space Station, with docking scheduled at 12:12 a.m. Central Time, 1:12 a.m. Eastern Time. And our first great view of the International Space Station from the external camera on the Progress vehicle, now just 600 meters away, closing at a rate of just over 1.5 meters per second. We're about 2.5 minutes away from the start of the fly-around by the Progress to align itself with the docking port at the aft end of the service module. And the visiting vehicle officer here in Mission Control confirms that the fly-around of the International Space Station has begun, right on time.
Station on space to ground one.
380 meters now separating the Progress from its docking port at the International Space Station.
Range 380.
The International Space Station in Progress now flying into an orbital sunrise over the Mediterranean. Everything proceeding perfectly as the Progress is conducting its automated fly-around of the station to align its forward docking probe with the aft port of the Zvezda service module. A good view from station cameras of the Progress. Its cache of 2.78 tons of cargo, food, fuel, and supplies for Chris Cassidy, Anatoly Ivanishin, and Ivan Wagner. Flying over the Mediterranean, south of Barcelona, Spain.
Rate 0.48 meters per second. Copy.
Range 164, rate 078. Copy. Image back.
Местами восстанавливается изображение. Видели причал. Сейчас изображения опять нет.
When we had the image, we could see final approach. Now there is no image again.
Дальность 58, скорость 27.
Approaching 55 meters between the Progress and the Zvezda service module, closing at a rate now of 0.2 of a meter per second. Everything proceeding normally. The two craft flying 260 miles over southern Russia. You can see the crosshairs almost perfectly aligned with the docking target. 22 meters now.
Rate 15, but it looks like 30. Copy.
Вот разрешен.
Standing by for capture. Crosshairs aligned.
Contact confirmed.
We have capture.
And capture confirmed. Docking confirmed right on the dot at 12:12 a.m. Central Time, 1:12 a.m. Eastern Time, as Progress and the International Space Station flew 260 miles over northwestern China south of the Mongolian border.
About empty to go.
That's actually it for the fab. It's completed. So the first one, yeah, like that. If you